Join our neighborhood rally. A rally is a car race. We can't drive, Einstein. It's for bicycles. Prepare for a great defeat. Mama always said talk was cheap. This homework is a pain. My teacher said it's good for you. It's good for torture. No, it teaches you to keep an eye on the prize. Prize? Yeah, knowledge and stuff. I'll settle for a nice sailboat to live on. You're headed for a rickety raft. Hey, have you had any problem with him? Oh, the bully? No, I just outran him. You? I just talked my way out of it. Let's join forces and end the terror. What'd you have in mind? I'll go high, you go low. What about a formal complaint? Why do you enjoy spring? The frogs start to come out again. Why do you like fall? The frogs start to stay on the ground. That's a low blow. Just kidding. Let's go catch a few. Fried frog legs are delicious. Do you like riding the school bus? Yeah, I'm the backup driver. Who told you that? Nobody, but I think that's why I'm sitting next to the driver. That's probably because you talk too much. I only holler when we're going too fast. I bet they love that. Yeah, but I can only use hand signals now. It's a toss-up. What? Whether or not I can jump this puddle. Mama says, don't bite off more than you can chew. Papa says, no guts, no glory. If you don't make it, Mama gets the glory. Not sure it works that way. Want some pizza? What's that? An anchovy, a small salty fish. They're like sardines, and you like them. But sardines aren't that salty. Anchovies and sardines are cousins. Neptune is a cousin too, but I don't want to eat him. Do you make your own lunch? Yeah, Mom said I was too picky. With your sandwiches? Yep. I need 1 tomato slice, 2 pickles, 3 chips. That's simple. 4 dabs of mustard, 5 pieces of lettuce, 6... Oh, I think you might be high maintenance. No, just creative. Have you seen my new shoes? No. What do they look like? They're solid white with black stripes. Did you turn into a zebra? No, but I'm faster than one. Hang on, let me call the zoo and set up a race. It's already set for noon. Imagine that. I'm trying out for the baseball team. You're the only girl? Right. Figured the guys could use a star player. What's your specialty? Rattling the pitcher. Talking smack? Yeah, I sing little jingles during their wind-up. Let's hear one. Hey, little pitcher, oh belly itcher. Nice.